Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are discussing about the image restoration technique. That is the chapter number 3 in the DIP. We know that image enhancement or simple the is the noise filtering. We do not make use of any of the degradation model, or we do not bother about what is the process which is degrading the image. But in the restoration, we talk about the degradation model, and we try to estimate the degradation model due to which the image is not good, and we apply the inverse process and try to restore the image. So that is the basic difference between the image restoration and image enhancement. In image enhancement, we only apply the filtering and don't worry about the degradation model. But in the restoration, we are worried about the degradation and establish the degradation model, and by inverse process we get the image. In case of image restoration, the image degradation model is very important. So we have to find out what is the phenomena or what is the model which has degraded the image, and once that model, the degradation model is known, we have to apply the inverse process to recover or restore the desired image. Here we can observe the image degradation model. Suppose there is an image that is given by fxy, that is the given image, two dimensional image, and the degradation function is denoted by hxy, that is the degradation function. Now the noise entered in the system is denoted by eta xy, that is the noise enter into the system. Now we can observe that fxy is the original image, and here by summation we are getting first the degradation function and image is convolution, and we are getting the fhxy and convolution with fxy, and the noise signal is added to it, that is the eta xy. यहाँ पर हमने नॉइज सिग्नल को भी ऐड कर दिया, दैट इज इक्वल टू द जी एक्स वाई, दैट इज द अवर डिग्रेडिंग इमेज. इस तरह से हम इस डिग्रेडिंग इमेज को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर वी फेमिलियर विद द डिग्रेडिंग इमेज, then we apply the suitable filter for inversing the effect of degradation, restoration filter, and getting the f cap xy in the output. ये हमको आउटपुट में मिल रहा है. दैट इज नॉट सेम विद एज द इनपुट, बिकॉज द 100% image restoration is not possible. So the output of this degradation function after additive noise is defined as eta xy, which is added to the degradation output, and this finally give us the output image gxy that we are getting here. So GXY is the degraded image which we want to recover. So from this GXY we want to recover the input image, the original input image FXY, using the image restoration technique. For recovering this FXY, we perform some filtering operation. These filters are actually derived using the knowledge of the degradation function, that is H, and output of the filter is our restored image H f hat xy, that is given by f cap xy, that is the output image, or that is not exactly same as the input. It is very difficult to get the exact image fxy. इसको अचीव करना काफी प्रॉब्लम है. This particular operation, that is the conversion from fxy to gxy, can be represented in spatial domain. ये हमने स्पेशल डोमेन में इसको डिफाइन किया है, because there can be two domain, spatial domain and another is the frequency domain. In spatial domain we work on directly on the pixels. तो यहाँ पर जो हमें इक्वेशन मिल रही है जी एक्स वाई इजकल टू एच एक्स वाई इंटू एफ एक्स वाई प्लस ईटा एक्स वाई इज द स्पेशल डोमेन फंक्शन. And in a frequency domain, if we do the Fourier transform of degrading image, that is gxy, इसका Fourier transform capital G uv, Fourier transform of image fxy is the fuv, Fourier transform of the degradation function is huv, and noise is the nuv. Then these two equations are important. Second equation is the frequency domain equation. Now if we assume that the Fourier transformation we get the Fourier transformation we get the frequency image. If we assume for the time being, if we neglect the term eta xy, और जो हम नॉइज सिग्नल से उसको अगर हम रिमूव कर देते हैं फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ simplification of the function, then our function that is in the spatial domain gxy will be h f xy, where h is the degradation operator and this term come in place of the g xy. This term come in place of the fxy, that is the original image, and degradation function that is given by indicated by here, that is the hxy. इनका अगर कन्वोल्यूशन करते हैं तो वी राइट इट एट द एच एफ एक्स वाई. इस तरह से हमने इसको डिफाइन किया इस इमेज को, प्लस दैट इज द ईटा एक्स वाई, प्लस हमने इसमें नॉइज को भी ऐड कर दिया. तो इस तरह से जो हमारा डिग्रेडेशन ऑपरेटर होगा दैट इज गिवन बाय gxy is equal to, if the noise signal is 0 then gxy will be equal to h f xy. Here h is the degradation operator यहां पर H हमारा डिग्रेडेशन ऑपरेटर को डिफाइन कर रहा है। द डिग्रेडेशन ऑपरेटर H इज ए लीनियर ऑपरेटर। जो डिग्रेडेशन ऑपरेटर है वो हमारा एक लीनियर ऑपरेटर है। तो इस तरह से वी ट्राई टू डेवलप द डिग्रेडेशन मॉडल फॉर ए इमेज रिस्टोरेशन। अगर हम इमेज को रिस्टोर करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए वी कैन डेवलप द degradation model. By this degradation model, if we are able to find the image and that is apply the inverse of degradation model, that is the inverse filtering, and achieve the original image that is not the same as the original image, but it is the approximation of the original image.